Hello everyone, my name is Michel Accessories and Electronics, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble your solar DC fan whenever you make a purchase from us. So this is the base of the fan. These bolts were already here, so I already lose about 3 of it, and I'm losing the last one. So inside the box we have this base, and this is like the branch, or what's it called, maybe the stem. So you just have to take this off. This is what you can use to tighten this part after you've adjusted it. I think you might use a plier while pulling this out. This is an adjustable. You want to take it down. Once you take it to the length you want, you use this to hold it. But we'll tighten this first here. So we'll just tighten this here. So this is the 4th screw. And make sure it's tight. So I have to go through all of them. So when I'm done with this, I'll just have to cover this part where the bolt is, so that as it comes with this, cover it so that it looks neat. Then I place this here. So maybe I've adjusted it to the level I want. I'll just tighten it tight here. Tight this place. And you can leave it on the ground. Then you bring out the part where the motor is. This is where the motor is. And the adapter is inside this box. This is a Qasa fan. Qasa branded fan. It's a DC fan. Just 25 watts. So our client that we are installing inverter for, he got it so that he can save more power at night. So you fix it like this, and inside the bag, where is the bag? Okay, this is it. This is the bag where some of the accessories are. You just bring this out, you pour everything. Here inside here there's the remote, and we use this to tighten the net to the fan. So this particular one, use it to hold this part of the fan to this place. You just lock it in. Just lock it in, make sure it's firm. You can see it's strong, can't go out. It's firm. So then we move on to the part where we install this. So we just put this like this. Put it like this. You make sure this one that is straight is going into here, and there's the other one down, is going into this place. So then you bring these two. This one goes after you've locked it here, after it has clicked here, both of them. You put this and you use this to tighten it. You can see it's firm. So this is like the company. I'll just use this to cover the front. Plastic that clips here. Then I get the blade. This is the blade. You see, the blade has like a hook that hooks in here. You can see, hooks in here. So you just, while putting it, you stay at the side and make sure it goes in very well. It has locked in. Then you tighten it. Why tighten this is the other way, not like the normal way, you know. It's backward like this. Then after you've done that, it's already okay. Then we'll get this. This is what holds the two nets, this and this together. Then we tie it. So we'll have to fix this first. You make sure this part is kind of stressful if you don't know how to do it. So while doing it, you put your hands both sides. So it's already in. Then I put the second part of the net. Oh, it's already out. Now I have to put this again and again. So this part is really stressful. Maybe I'll just loosen it a little bit. I'll try it again. I think this is okay. Have to be really careful here. As you can see, both are inside. Once you have both inside like this, you hold firm and adjust the letters to be in a horizontal form. Then you tight here. Make sure everything is okay. Then you tight it. So once you've tied these parts to be very, very strong, so just make sure that everything is in line. Okay, tight again. So whenever you want to do maintenance, you just have to take this part off and lose it and clean it off. So this is the remote. And once you get it, the remote has an insulator, so you have to take it out, remove this. If you don't do this, the remote won't work. So even without the remote, you can turn it on from the body. So once you remove that, you cover it and tight it back. Then you open the box. where the adapter is. So we already assembled one already, and that's it over there. Plug this to your sockets. Then this way you plug it in. And see, once you plug it in, there is power in it. Here's the power. You can also turn it on from the body here. And this is to set a timer, how long you want it to be on. Then this is to increase the speed gears. This is to decrease. So on the remote control, we also have the power button, the timer to increase the speed, to reduce the speed. So let's turn it on. See, it's on. And can increase the speed. Fan is really good. It's very, very good. And it saves power on your inverter. And if you don't want it to swing around, this is where you can do that at the back of the fan. You can turn it off and on. Just take it out and stop swinging. And you push it in, it swings. So that's how to assemble this fan from Qasa. You can also turn it off from the remote and it goes off. And if the height is too much for you, you can just untighten this place and push it down a little bit to the height you want it to be. Then you tighten it. So this is a wonderful fan. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.